Hi, my name is Martiz. I am the owner of Lash Blvd and creator of Lash Like a Pro online training course. Today, I am going to give you 3 tips that are going to help you to achieve a perfect isolation. Achieving the perfect isolation is very important during your application. This is what's going to help with your lash retention. This is what is going to keep your customers coming back, and it's going to keep the health of your clients' natural lashes in perfect conditions. Tip number 1, and the most important one, is to have the right set of tweezers. As you know, isolating tweezers need to be super sharp and pointy so that you can isolate those little lashes perfectly. It doesn't matter if they have a curve or if they're straight, as long as you feel comfortable using them. But if you don't have the right tweezers, your application is going to be a lot harder and the isolation is not going to be right. So I highly recommend either a curved tweezer, an angle tweezer, or a straight tweezer to isolate those lashes. Tip number 2, position yourself correctly. Bring your client as close as possible to you. At about mid-torso, you want to lean forward to see where the base of the lash is. Tip number 3, make sure you have the right gel pads that are flexible, that attach correctly to the skin, and you're protecting those bottom lashes 100%. To achieve that, you also want to use lint-free medical tape so your tweezers don't get stuck. As you know, isolation is one of the most important parts of doing eyelash extensions, and it's where most of lash artists struggle with. By following these tips, you're already setting yourself apart. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope it was helpful. Lash Blvd is here to help you become the best you can be and help you grow your lash business. Comment below this video and let me know what else you would like to learn about eyelash extensions. Subscribe now. You want to comment? Just kidding.